Hi guys, welcome to Naturally Green. Today's video is on the 1 liter elegant spray. It is one among the wide range of sprayers that we have, each curated to your needs and liking. Now on with the video. The elegant water sprayer has unique nozzle design, comfortable grip, helps spray effectively and evenly. High quality plastic is used for making the sprayer, and the tube provided with the sprayer. The tube is of ideal length to ensure the complete water expulsion. Fit the tube into the slot provided on the sprayer head. The unique design ensures optimum water usage and reduced wastage. Beautiful and elegantly designed sprayer with an easily attachable sprayer head. Powerful and effective mist which ensures the spread. Can be used to spray insecticides and fertilizers onto your foliage and plants. Like and share this video, comment your opinions down below, and for more such content, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the notification of our further videos.